Hi all, I'm Ross. Most of you won't recognise my voice, however you probably will recognise this page, and that's me. So I set up Mazda6 Owners Club 10 years ago now, back in 2011, and it's grown pretty significantly over the years. We're into a pretty decent club with, well, 14,000 members on Facebook. So the purpose of this video is that we often see, mainly from newcomers, questions asked that are potentially already answered, and I'm wondering if a little video series might be of help that we can pin to the top, answering those common questions about DPFs, about I-stops, what things mean, flashing DPF lights, etc. And yeah, so I'll move on to giving you a little example, but please do let me know if this would be of help, and I can start producing these videos for you. Take this for example, quite a common sight. I-stop's not ready, the halo around the engine isn't lit. What does it mean? And a lot of people, it seems, don't know what it's likely to be. Obviously it can be a lot of things, but there's a lot of questions around things like the I-stop, the I-loop, DPFs, chains, oil pressures, strainers, etc., injectors to some extent. And yeah, just wondering if it'd be something that people are interested in, a little video series of me sharing what I know about it. It might not be the be all and end all, but yeah, hopefully I can educate some people on how to keep their car in check. Many of you may recognise this screen. This is 4Scan. So 4Scan is absolutely fantastic for viewing, monitoring, recording logs, and obviously performing service and maintenance on as well. These are the sensors that I tend to look at a lot of, and it can tell you a fair bit about the health and state of your engine and DPF. So yeah, these would be some of the sensors that I could go over. There's more that I could also cover. So please let me know in the comments below if you would benefit from these videos and what aspects you would like me to cover. Obviously if you can spare a like or even a subscribe, then I know that the demand is out there, and I can start helping to producing these videos for Mazda 6 community.